First, connect your computer directly to your Rogers or Xfinity modem using an Ethernet cable, not Wi Fi. Open a web browser and enter the modem's IP address, usually 10.0.1. Check the sticker on your modem if needed. Log in using the default credentials, often admin for both username and password. Navigate to the Advanced or Gateway section. For Xfinity X5 modems, it's under Gateway at a glance. For Rogers Ignite modems, look in Wireless or Broadband tabs. Enable bridge mode by disabling DHCP, firewall, and Wi-Fi features in the modem settings. After enabling, the modem will reboot automatically. Connect your router's WAN port to the modem's LAN port using an Ethernet cable. Power on your router and configure it to obtain an IP address via DHCP. Test your internet connection by connecting devices to the router and verifying access. If you encounter issues, factory reset the modem or contact your provider's support. Check coax connections or update firmware.